Okay, so this is our Ryobi lawn mower. You can see this is the battery that charges this thing, and then you press this, and then you click on this one to start, and then it will make this kind of sound, and then this is our backyard, and then you can see how many long grasses are there. So this thing will help cut down all the grass and then turn it into this kind of grass, not like that one. So yeah, let's see how well this does. Sometimes it'll be naughty like this. And it cuts down all the plants and turns it normal grass. But then after a few days it will grow, and then you can cut it again with this roller thing. And then you can clean up your garden.